Here is a tutorial for a ConvertKit easy email marketing setup for beginners. First, what you need to do is go to kit.com because since it's updated, ConvertKit is now transformed as Kit. Now click on the website and go ahead and click on the Start Free Trial. After clicking on the Start Free Trial, you will be redirected on the page where you will be asked, "Are you a robot?" So you have to verify yourself first, which may take a few seconds before you can actually go ahead and create your own account. Afterwards, you have to fill on the necessary details such as name, email, and password. After setting up your account, you can now go ahead and go and answer the different prompts from the kit. And then as you can see, I am answering it right now. To how many email subscribers do you have? So the answers are depending on you. Click continue if you already decided the name. Click continue if you have already choose a custom name as well. And then afterwards, what you need to do is just go ahead and answer all the necessary details on your end. And then after answering, you can now go ahead and see the welcome to Kit. And you can now go ahead and start using it by clicking on the start writing or explore the pages more.